Good morning, everybody of TYBSc Zoology students. Today we will going to study the nucleus, which is one of the important organelles of the cell. Myself, Elite Sandore, Assistant Professor in Department of Zoology at the GMD Arts, BW Commerce and Science College, Sinnar. Now the chapter 7, that is the nothing but nucleus. Now you know that nucleus is one of the important organelles present in the cell which perform the all metabolism or which control all the activity of the cell. Now according to this, first we have to go into that the size, shape, number and position of nucleus. First the number. How many numbers are present in the cell? Generally, the number of nucleus are depending on types of cell. Some of the cells are without nucleus, for example RBC. The number of nucleus also depends on function and size of cell such as mononuclear, binuclear and multinuclear. Mononuclear means that single nucleus present, binuclear it means that two nucleus present and multinuclear it means that the more than two nucleus which is present in the cell. Mononucleates such as epithelial cells, columnar cells, squamous cell, etc. Binucleate are paramecium, valentidium, vorticilla, which are protozoans, and the polykaryotic cells are present in bone marrow, means that the multinuclear or multinucleus present in the bone marrow, as well as that is the Apollina, which is also protozoan having the number of nuclei or number of nucleus present, that is nothing but the multicellular. Now the next one is the position of the nucleus. Now what is mean by the position? Means that we are the location which is present in the cell. That is, according to the size and shape of cell, the position of nucleus is located in peripheral, eccentric and also centric. That is the in adipose tissue cells, nucleus is peripheral, whereas in glandular cells, nucleus is located in basal region. Now some of the cells also having the eccentric nucleus, that is nothing but the one side of the cytoplasmic material. So that is nothing but the eccentric. Centric it means that it centrally present nucleus, and the according to the size, shape, function of the cell, the nucleus showing that position. Now the shape of the nucleus. The shape of nucleus is generally spherical in cuboidal or polyhedral cells and disc shaped in squamous epithelium. In columnar cell, it is ovoid and elongated, and the nuclei are bilobe or multilobe in leukocytes. That is the shape also showing the ovoid, cylindrical, also bilobe, multilobe, and also the spherical. The size of the nucleus. Now the size of the nucleus is also depends on the volume of the cytoplasm and volume of the nuclear material. The ratio of the nuclear size also lies between the nuclear volume and cytoplasmic volume, and this ratio can be expressed numerically by nucleoplasmic index, that is called as the nucleoplasmic index, or NP, is equal to nuclear volume divided by volume of cytoplasm, and that is the also Vc minus Vn, that is the volume of cytoplasm minus volume of nuclear material or nucleus. Means that Np is equal to Vn upon Vc minus Vn. Vn it means that the volume of the nucleus, then Vc it means that the volume of cytoplasm, and Vn it means that the volume of nucleus. Now ultrastructure of nuclear membrane and pore complex, where this is a very important point of the nucleus. Because of that, each and every organelle shows a specific type of the structure which is perform their functions as well as the organization of the cell. The nucleus is bounded by envelope or membrane, and within nucleus there is a clear acidophilic mass called nuclear sap or nuclear matrix. Means that the presence of the material that is called as the nuclear matrix and nuclear complex. In the interphasic stage, the nuclear sap contains twisted filaments of chromatin which are called chromosomes. The spherical bodies like nucleoli are also observed, and thus nucleus shows like as following structure, and that is nothing but the nuclear envelope or membrane, nuclear sap or nuclear matrix, and chromatin as well as nucleoli, that is the internal organization of the nucleus, that is called as the nucleoli. Now first one is the nuclear envelope. Now envelope is also formed by the double membrane, and that membrane is also separated by the cytoplasm, and therefore it is also called as a double membrane nuclear envelope. Each layer is about 100 to 300 angstrom apart, leaving a discontinuous perinuclear space that communicates with channels of cytoplasmic membrane. That is the cytoplasmic membrane, means that it also communicates the cytoplasmic membrane. Because of that, it is a outer covering. It became disappear or absent during the time of cell division or long period. That is the when the mitosis or the meiosis occurs. At that time, the cell membrane or nuclear membrane or nuclear envelope disappear. Where structure of the envelope. Now what is the material and the arrangement of the envelope, showing that the thickness of two membrane of nucleus is 70 to 80 angstrom. Outer membrane has connection with endoplasmic reticulum and has ribosomes on the outer side. The inner membrane possesses a crystalline layer coated with filament and fibrous structure which is extend toward nucleolus chromatin material. The nuclear membrane are separated by perinuclear space, and it is formed pore complex. It is formed pore complex, that is nothing but the fluid material. The perinuclear space is filled with the fluid communicating with endoplasmic reticulum. See this, the nucleus with nucleus envelope and nuclear pores structure. See this, the outermost covering of the nucleus, showing that the nuclear envelope or nuclear membrane, where the membrane having the extension with the endoplasmic reticulum that is scattered in the cytoplasm, and thus the endoplasmic reticulum also having the ribosomal bodies, that is the ribosomes, where internally it also shows the nuclear pores, which is useful for the to intake of the cytoplasmic material as well as exit the nuclear material, and centrally it places the nucleolus. That is the general diagram or general structure of the nucleol envelope as well as nucleus. Here there is also presence of the nucleoplasm with the chromatin fibers or chromatin material in the nucleolus. This is about the ultrastructure of the nuclear envelope and nucleus. Then the pore complex. Now why it is called as the pore complex? Because of that the number of structures which is embedded in that pore, and therefore that type of the structure is called as the pore complex. The nuclear envelope is interrupted at intervals by nuclear pores which act as passageway for transport of various types of materials. The pores are numerous and roughly arranged on the membrane or nuclear envelope, and it has been observed that the number of pores are aligned with the nucleoplasmic channels. Nucleoplasmic channels, it means that applicable for the intake of the material and exit of the material through the nucleus. The number of pores range from 100 to 5 into 10 raised to 10 in different cells. The number of pores is related to pore density and number of RNA molecules. The pores also arrange in hexagonal clusters. The hexagonal clusters, it means that the presence of the ribosomal bodies or other material, so that is called as the hexagonal clusters. They are contain electron dense material and which is granular. Now see this, the structure of the nuclear pore complex, showing that the complex having also the uh, ribosomes as well as the intake of material, then the uh, attachment with the endoplasmic reticulum, then the molecules as well as the pore canals or the attachment of the ribosomes with presence of the fibers or fibrils of the protein or protoplasmic material. So pore complex, that is the diameter also varies from cell to cell, generally from 50 to 100 nanomicron. These circular structure are called annuli, which along with a diameter of 15 to 17 nanomicron. The matrix of the annulus may be amorphous, which is digested by trypsin and hence is proteinaceous in nature. The pore complex is a rigid structure. The nuclear envelope shows connection with the nuclear component as well as the cytoplasmic region. The pores giving rise to intracellular channel which open on the nuclear surface through the pores. Thank you very much. This is about the structure of the ultrastructure of the nucleus or nuclear envelope. Thank you.